Hey friends, welcome back. My name is Danielle, and if you are interested in seeing how being in ketosis, how you can truly make it work for your weight loss, please stay tuned. Hey friends, welcome back. Happy Sunday. I hope you guys are having a great week. Welcome to November. This year is wrapping it up, guys. I can't believe it. Hopefully you guys survived the temptation of Halloween and, you know, didn't eat any of the candy and all the things, but if you did, it's life. We're gonna just wipe ourselves off and just get right back into the game. Don't let, you know, one slip up just completely derail you from your goals and all the, you know, the success that you have had. You know, we all slip up. It happens. Don't beat yourself up about it. It is what it is. Just, you know, start fresh the very next day. That's it. Okay? So on to that. I hope you guys had a great Halloween, and if you had kids, you did the trick-or-treating. We had snow. We had snow in October, so we got the kids out for a little bit, but now everybody has a cold, so that's just the way life is. We are going to talk today about the Keto Mojo. Again, this is going to be like my third one. My weight loss and my new macros and all the things, okay? So a few things about the Keto Mojo. I think a ketone monitor is completely a necessity. If you are at the point in your weight loss journey, if you are on keto and you are on this point where you're like, what the hell am I doing wrong? I'm not losing, I've been at a plateau, I'll do a fast and then it just kind of comes right back, or I just stay right there. You need to hear this, okay? I've done fasts. I've done, I think, 2 or 3 of them maybe, between beef and butter and egg fast, and yeah. We need to stop that. We're gonna stop that, because I think a fast is cool if you are just like at a stagnant plateau, but I think you guys need to, I don't know how to say this, because look, some people are getting real heated, okay, get real heated and being real rude in the comment section and talking about, I'm gonna stop listening to your BS. And I was like, look, I didn't invite you to. I mean, I'm just giving you my opinion. You can take what you want from it, okay? Fasts I think are great. I think they're great if you are really at these plateaus. But I think that, this is me and this is other people that I know have been doing this for a long time, I think that keto, because it's became so mainstream, that we've kind of lost focus on what the actual way of eating is. And I think that each person's body has a different thing. Each person works differently, okay? That's just what it is. So if you've seen so-and-so is on this type of macros and her protein's higher than her fat and that's working for her, that's awesome. That's so great. But from what I'm getting in the comments and my messages and my emails, it's not working for everybody. Everybody's like, I'm not losing any weight. I've been on keto for 3 months. I've lost 3 pounds. What the hell's going on? You know, and it's frustrating, and people are like, screw this. I'm jumping off. I'm going to eat the candy. I'm sick of depriving. I feel like I'm depriving myself and whatever. The people who feel like you're depriving yourself, that you're not seeing the results from keto, you're not losing weight because you're not in ketosis. I'll tell you that right now. Because your overall feeling is the best. And I can say that now because I have been in consistent ketosis for 3 weeks, 2.5 weeks. And I feel bomb, okay? Like my skin looks better, my hair looks good, like it's shining and shit and it's not greasy. My energy, like I don't need like mid naps and I don't feel like that 2 o'clock feeling. Like I'll go to bed and I'm tired when I hit the pillow, but I'm up and ready, you know, between 6 and 8 hours of sleep. Like my stomach feels good. I don't feel bloated. Like there's all these benefits, okay? I don't feel very, my hands haven't been hurting me. My hands were hurting me for a little bit. I feel great. So that's why I say you guys need some type of meter. If you want to go with the Keto Mojo, again, I always have the code down below. I have a code. Michelle Rock has a code. If you want to go with the Keto Coach, Nicole Burgess has a code. You can check her out. There's so many people out there who work with different, who prefer different monitors. Maybe hit up the insurance company, see if they can cover, they can cover one for you guys. I'm not too sure how that would work, but you know, all the things. I did go ahead and do my GKI, which is like your glucose keto index, and I was at like almost a 3, which is like therapeutic keto levels. So there's a whole thing on it, Google it. People were asking me about it, I did it, so that's what it was. Meaning basically that I am, you know, I gotta kick it up a little bit to get into pure weight loss, but it looks good, okay? Meaning my glucose every day is between like 85 and 88. And this morning when I woke up, I'm filming a full day of eating today, so you'll see that on Tuesday. You guys have really been liking the way I've been eating and then monitoring my ketones. So I'm working on that bowel droppage, boom. But you guys have been liking it, so I'm gonna try to put out a few of them this week, and I'm gonna try to get you guys a grocery haul as well. Yeah, so stay tuned to that. But back to the point. People were asking about my macros, how I calculated them. We're gonna go through it again, and this is how I do it. You're going to take your goal weight, okay? So if you're 400 pounds and your goal weight is 180 pounds, you're gonna do 180 grams of fat. Yes, I said that. 180 grams of fat. That is going to be your goal for your fat. You're going to divide that in half for your protein. That will be 90 grams of protein. Yes, I said that. And 20 net carbs. Okay? Don't exceed your fat. Don't exceed your protein. Try to, I mean, your fat is a hard limit, guys. Do not go over that. Your protein, you're going to want to come as close. If you go 5 to 10 over, that's okay. Too much protein on keto is not a good thing because it just converts, and it's not, you got to think of that, okay? It's just, you can't have too much protein. And I think that's what's stalling a lot of people. I think their protein is way too high. And I challenge you guys to, if you are at this point where you're like, I'm not losing weight, I'm at this stall, I'm always hungry, something is wrong, what am I doing? Danielle, help me. Try my macros. They're not mine. I didn't like create them. It's just something I followed years ago when I started keto. So this was maybe 3-4 years ago. And that's what I did, and I was very successful on it. And, you know, and go from there. So you're going to try it for a week. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. What are you gonna lose? Honestly, weight. You know, that's really what it comes down to. I mean, you've tried your way. I've tried all the suggestions you guys have given me because we're friends here, and that's what we do. So if you guys are open to it, give my way a try. See how it goes. Again, you know, I really recommend. Some people say that you can just check your glucose, and if you see that your level, if your glucometer is reading lower, then you could tell that you're in ketosis. You could try that out. But yeah, so that's one of the things. My dog, sorry. Let's talk about working out. I'm still working out, and I'm not going to lie. I failed miserably at Couch to 5K, but I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna keep trying. I never went to get the tape. Look, Leo was on vacation this week, and you know, he went to the gym with me, and you know, we were working out together and doing all the couple things. It was so corny and cute. So I tried to do it. It was just I just couldn't. I never got the tape. I gotta get the damn tape. It's more my shins. It's not leg cramps. It's more like my shins are hurting. So I'm gonna try that out and see how it works. But we're gonna keep going. I'm not giving up. That Couch to 5K app ain't gonna beat me. But my workouts this week were phenomenal. I hit the gym. What did we do? 5 days this week? It was so good. I'm really excited. I ended up like going to like the Planet Fitness Black card, so I get to like use like the massage chairs now and stuff, which I'm like, hell yeah, I'm gonna be in that gym for a minute. But yeah, so we're gonna keep going. I still do work out, guys. A lot of people are asking me, how do you up your fat for ketosis? There's plenty of ways. So I will have bulletproof coffee, which is, you know, and a lot of you guys were asking how to cut costs, because I do know it's expensive. You don't necessarily have to use MCT oil or MCT powder. I do like the one from Perfect Keto. I've been using those forever. They've been pretty good to me. You could also do just the MCT oil. I was using the 310 MCT oil because I found that is the only one that doesn't give me like severe abdominal pain and like explosion diarrhea, because some of those ones will jack you up. Do not play. They will get you out of nowhere, okay? You could also just use coconut oil. If you have organic, you know, unfiltered coconut oil, you could just take a tablespoon, drop that in your coffee. MCT oil is basically the purest form of coconut oil, so you can just, you know, use what you have. If you're trying to save $1, which I get it, you know, Christmas time, we trying to save all the coins. I hear ya. That's, you know, you could do that as an option. What else did I want to talk about? We talked about the macros. We talked about the monitor. Let's talk about my weight loss this week. So I've been steadily waking up between 1.5 and like this morning 2.0 with my monitor, okay? I did hit mid-cycle this week, and I remember from before when I was in this like realm of ketosis, when I was doing these same macros, which I don't know why I didn't pay attention to this last year when I was kind of struggling. My mid-cycle, the keto diet is very similar to like the PCOS diet, okay? So it helps with fertility. So you'll see a lot of keto babies floating around. So it really regulates your cycle, really gets all the juices flowing, not to be gross. And then, you know, it really helps with your menstruation as well. So anyways, mid-cycle, so, you know, like I always struggled. So either I would gain or I wouldn't lose, and I would be bloated and stuff like that. So I ended up only losing like a 0.6 for this whole week, just because of the mid-cycle. Probably, you know, starting next week, I'll have a loss again. So I'm not too concerned. Again, I did know that that was coming. It's very normal. You can look at all the Reddit forums. They all talk about it. Most women do gain during ovulation. So, but I'm still steadily losing. Guys, I cannot believe like how thin my face looks. Like even like my sides are looking real. Like everything is just coming together so nicely. I was like, even Leo was like, man, you're looking real lean. And I was like, what do you want? Like, what are you trying to do here? You gonna go out? Like, you know what I mean? Like, it was really nice. And my sister came over and she's like, oh my God, your stomach looks so much smaller. And I was like, so that's always like kind of nice to hear, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's my plan. So my plan is we are going to stay with these macros. So my macros currently right now are a 160 grams of fat, okay? 160 grams of fat, and then 80 grams of protein, 20 of net carbs. So if I come back on here next week and I said, you know what, I haven't seen the scale move, I will reevaluate. When I reevaluate, I'm going to drop my fat. That's always the first thing you're going to want to drop first. So I'll probably just drop it by 10 and do like 150. As far as my eating, getting those more fats in, fat bombs are a really great option. You could add, you know, just have some extra MCT oil or coconut oil into your tea, bulletproof coffee, how you prepare your food, you know, put an extra little tab of butter in there when you're eating your eggs or your steak or whatever it is, okay? There's ways to add in the extra fats while preparing your food as well. Not simply just, people are like, oh, well, you just said you just have bulletproof coffee. Yeah, I included that because I did not have it for a long time, but it was because I added those extra fats. Extra fat, hitting high fat on keto, guys, is really going to get that scale going. I promise you. Just believe me. I believe in you. Believe in me. Just give me 1 week. Give me 1 week. And if I'm wrong, just say, hey, Danielle, it didn't work. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's figure out what else is next. Okay, we've tried X, Y, and Z's macros. We've tried, you know, Ruled Me's macro calculator and Carb Manager's macro calculator. We've tried them all. Let's just try mine. It won't hurt nothing. We've done it. We see what it goes. I'm still tracking my macros on Carb Manager, just because it is a significant amount of, you know, I just want to make sure that I'm not going over and I'm not too under either. So it's gotten a lot easier for me, because honestly, I am not eating as much anymore. I'm down to pretty much 2 meals a day, and that's it. I'm usually 2 meals a day, 2 coffees a day is kind of where I'm going. But I have some really great meals. Like what I'm making for dinner tonight, you guys are going to want to be here for that one, because it's going to be real good. But all right, I'm going to wrap this video up. I love you guys so much. Please let me know how you guys are doing. Are you guys ready for the holidays? We do have a ton of Thanksgiving videos coming out this month. Do not fret, I got your back. We got a little bit of everything. Each video is going to be directed towards one meal, one occasion, something or another. I got you. Also for Christmas, we got you. Do not forget to subscribe. I would love for you guys to subscribe. Please hit the notification bell. You guys are good. If you do have the notification bell, click it on or click it off and then click it back on, because guys, I'm telling you right now, a lot of people aren't being notified of these videos because YouTube just plays games. So, you know, if you guys were wondering my upload schedule, you will see a video from me Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So every day on those days, I don't skip. I show up punctually. There will be a video from me. The timing sometimes changes depending on, you know, just if I'm working with like somebody and they're in a different time zone. Like I worked with Michelle, she's in California, I'm in Chicago. So we had to find something that meets in the middle for both of us, our time zones and stuff. But I will have a video up each one of those days. So please hit the notification bell. Also, we do have Slaying Saturdays popping off on Saturdays. It's kind of like the vlog day where we are talking all things Christmas related. We'd love for you guys to tune in for them. We did launch a mug for that day for the slaying season. So if you guys are here and all about the holly jolly merriment of Christmas, y'all my people, go ahead and do that thing. But all right, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I love you guys. Have a great week. I believe in you. Let's end this month, this year strong. I got your back. I'm rooting for you. Don't be so hard on yourself, because we got this, okay? We got this. But all right, guys, I love you, and I will see y'all on the next one. Bye, friends.